In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate a Tableau Cloud free trial. If you've been eager to explore Tableau's powerful data visualization tools, starting with a free trial is a fantastic way to dive in. Let's walk through the process together. First, open up your web browser and head over to tableau.com. Once there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with their homepage. It's filled with valuable resources and links to their tools and products. Next, locate the Products tab in the menu bar at the top of the page and click on it. This will direct you to an overview page where Tableau showcases all its offerings. On this page, look for and select Tableau Cloud. You'll find it prominently displayed among other products. Tableau Cloud is specifically designed for users who need to analyze, share, and explore their data seamlessly in the cloud. Once you've clicked through to the Tableau Cloud page, find the option to Start a Free Trial. This is your gateway to exploring all the features Tableau Cloud offers without any upfront cost. Clicking on this will lead you to a form that you'll need to fill out to initiate the trial. Filling out the form is a straightforward process. Ensure you provide accurate information, as it will be used to manage your account and access. Common fields you might encounter include your name, email address, company name, and job role. Once you've completed all the necessary fields, double-check your entries to avoid mistakes, especially your email address. An incorrect email might prevent you from receiving your activation email. After filling out the form, click Submit. It's the final step in requesting your free trial. Upon successful submission, keep an eye on your email inbox for a message from Tableau that contains your activation link. The waiting period for this email is generally short, but do check your spam or junk folders if you don't see it after a few minutes. When you receive the email, open it and click on the activation link provided. This action will confirm your trial and allow you to proceed to sign into your new Tableau Cloud account. Use the credentials you created during the form submission process to log in. Congratulations! You're now ready to explore the robust capabilities of Tableau Cloud. From creating insightful visualizations to sharing dashboards, there's a world of data analysis at your fingertips waiting to be explored. Thank you for joining me today as we set up your Tableau Cloud free trial. I hope this has been helpful, and I encourage you to dive right into your analysis projects. Enjoy your journey with Tableau.